In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Passwords Manager. Lastly, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your screen lock. Then hit Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!